With the energy of the Three of Wands clarified by the Eight of Pentacles showing up for you today, this is something that you have been patiently working towards that is now coming to harvest here with the Three of Wands. Um, you could have been doing this with other people, but it could also just be on your own because I'm seeing you working here very diligently on your own. And there's something that you have been mastering. This is going to be different for each of you, but yeah, there's definitely an energy of coming into harvest. And Spirit says that your advice and your opportunity is the Three of Pentacles, clarified by the Judgment card, clarified by the Hierophant. So this is definitely a higher calling that you're having. It could also be for some of you, there's an awakening happening here in terms of maybe your leadership or also your beliefs and things to do with society. Because the Three of Pentacles is your advice and opportunity, there is an opportunity here to work with others. Maybe this is something you wouldn't have done before because of whatever this was that you viewed. There's something that you've learned here in terms of this, which is going to allow you to be able to embrace this energy. I'm seeing the stag here again, and it's like supporting you. This leadership energy is supporting you. I'm getting for a lot of you as well that whenever this card comes out for me as well, it's also like it could be your guides, your ancestors, that have been communicating with you. And this tree here is also giving me again that ancestral energy, that quiet strength, that maybe you felt that you were alone, but to also see that you haven't been. There's some key that you've been handed here in having seen this and having worked through this lesson. All right, so if that resonated, you're welcome to like or comment. Otherwise, subscribe for more daily tarot or go through to the Cosmic Mirror for my longer tarot readings or dream sigil readings.